X-ray Bucky Stand is an accessory equipment for medical X-ray diagnosis, which is composed of base, pillar, support arm, etc. It can move and rotate electronically. It can be divided into several types according to design, technical parameters, and additional auxiliary functions. It can be used to support X-ray monitor and X-ray Bucky Stand device, and provide suitable body photographic position. The vertical X-ray Bucky Stand X-ray chest stand is a movable photographic assistant device matched with the medical X-ray camera, which is a movable photographic device up and down. With various X-ray machines, X-ray examination of the chest, head, abdomen, pelvis and other parts of the human body can be carried out. It is convenient to use, and it is a necessary routine equipment in the radiology department of medical unit.